Alright, I'm here to show you how to download too many items and single player commands for beta 1.3, well 1.7.3, whatever. And you need that, you need mod loader, too many items obviously, and single player commands. Alright. First, you can just go to your user, whatever your thing is right here, mine's that. Go to app data, roaming.minecraft, and bin. See, I already have, but yeah. And then there's a meta.inf file right here somewhere. You got to delete that with mine. You cannot download any mods with Minecraft open. And you have to delete the meta.inf or it'll just give you a black screen. Alright, first, close that. First you just highlight all these classes, put it in your minecraft.jar. Oh yeah, here. Also have it on add and replace. Normal, and yeah. Alright. Single players, whatever. Then just do this. Click on this. This is for PC, because I don't know how to do it for Mac. Hold down shift, and then left click again. Left click on this one. Hold down shift, left click again. Bring this over. Okay. Okay, now that's done. Now see how this is a jar file? You go back to your bin. Okay. Go back to your bin and just drag this over. Alright. Just drag it over. Exit. Exit. Minecraft. Again. Full screen. And whoa, lag. Whatever. Press T or whatever you want it to be. You can just go to options, controls, then you can change that to like Y if you want, or I like it at T. Alright. How many frames am I getting? 13, wow. So yeah. Here's the one command that's really useful. Fly. Just type in fly. I'll show a different video on that. And then you just press whatever you use to get in your inventory, which you can just change at the controls. And here's too many items. I have a different mod called the Aether. That's in another video I'm probably gonna make soon. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hold on, I gotta see if this works. Mine's not working. Alright, well, see ya.